Hi mathematicians, this is your Module 20 Sprint, your last sprint for your first module of 3rd grade math. Wow, that's awesome. You guys have worked so hard. I know things haven't been easy this school year, but you've really made me proud with how you continue to grow. Okay, so to keep growing your brains, you are going to work with skip counting by fives. You'll move both forwards and backwards. So you'll see problems that look like these two down here. We have 10 blank 20 and 20 blank 10. You have to fill in the blank with the missing number. So if I'm looking and I know I'm skip counting by fives, I see that we went from 10 to 20. So that tells me that our numbers are getting larger. So 10, if we're getting larger, I'm going to add 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. And that makes sense, right? When we count by fives, it goes 10, 15, 20. But when I look down here, I have 20 blank 10. That tells me the numbers are going smaller. We're counting backwards by fives. So we added 5 in this case. But down here we're going to subtract 5. 20 minus 5 is 15. And 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay, so when you have your sprint here, you're going to write the number that belongs in the blank in this spot right here, where you always write your answer. Okay, so you're skip counting by fives. If you want to stop right now and practice skip counting by 5, you're more than welcome. I'll warm you up. We'll skip count by 5 to 50 one time, okay? So when I say go, we'll begin. If we're counting by fives, we're starting with 5. And we're stopping with 50, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, okay? You can repeat that if you need to. Again, if you want more time, you can click pause. But I'm going to start the timer for those of you that are ready, okay? So you may begin Sprint A in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, good job. You are done with Sprint A. Time is up. All right, so I'm going to start reading the answers in the first column. When I say go, follow along with me and be ready to circle your correct answers. 3, 2, 1, go. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 25, 30, 10, 35, 15. Okay, that was the first column. When I say go, I'm going to start reading the second column. 3, 2, 1, go. 40, 20, 45, 20, 45, 15, 40, 10, 35, 5, 30, 15, 40, 20, 45, 25, 50, 60, 55, 60, 65, 70. Alright, so you're going to count up how many you got correct, put that number on the top. We already went over this skill for today, so for today you don't have to stop and figure out a pattern or write a strategy that you used. If you would like to comment on Google Classroom and tell us all what you've done, feel free, but today you do not have to. Okay? So, we're ready to improve ourselves and do better with our Sprint B. Same skill, skip counting by 5, forwards and backwards. Okay, just like before, you'll have 1 minute. If you're still checking, hit pause now so that you have enough time, and then hit play when you're ready. Okay, I'm starting the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, good job. That is the end of your time for Sprint B. I'm going to start going over the answers. Feel free whenever you're done writing your number correct and your improvement score, feel free to stop the video and feel free to share with us your improvement score only. Okay? We only want the number for the improvement score. Alright. First column in 3, 2, 1, go. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 5, 30, 10, 35, 15, and 40. Okay, that's the end of column 1. Column 2 coming in 3, 2, 1, go. 20, 40, 25, 20, 55, 15, 30, 10, 30, 5, 20, 20, 45, 25, 50, 15, 40, 55, 60, 65, 60, 65. All right, so you know the drill. Your job is to count up how many you got correct and write your improvement score. Skip counting is very important in multiplication and division. And fives are very important too, because fives are a nice fact to work with, or a nice number to work with that helps us solve other problems as well. Okay, good work, mathematicians. Continue working hard for the rest of your lesson 20 activities.